Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in front of you Epson ink tank printer. Model number is L3060. It's not visible over here, but this is 3060 and it's same like 3070 and 3050. What is the issue? If you will turn on the printer, you will see it will straight away will give error. What is the cause? I will show you here. First of all, I will turn off because printer is not initializing. I will turn it off and will show you what is the issue. We'll remove the power cord. Okay, it's off now, and now I will turn it on, and you will see this main roller will start rotating, but it will not rotate. Okay, computer will not initialize in proper way. Something stuck over there. First of all, look, I will turn it on, and you will see it will start rotating, and straight away, look, it's not rotating. The initial step is while you will turn on the printer, this main roller should rotate and this ink carriage should go left and right. Something stuck over there, that's why printer is showing straight away the error. So I will do what, behind the feeder roller also is connected directly with the main roller. Okay, so I will rotate the feeder roller with my hand. If there is something stuck in the gears, it will release automatic. So we'll see. I will take my hand from here and I will rotate. Okay, I rotated the feeder roller with my hand. Smoothly rotate, don't break anything over here. Okay, now I will move this also carriage with my hand. Okay, it's very hard, it's moving very hard. Suppose it should not be hard. You can rotate this main drive from with your hand also. Rotate this gear. Okay, this carriage is also little hard but not smooth now. I think it need to be greased. But first of all, we'll turn off and check again. And now we'll back on. Look, it's rotating now. Before it was jammed, now it's rotating, and you can see carriage is moving from the left side, and there is no straight away error. Look, the gear was stuck actually due to dust, due to what I have no idea. But we rotate this main gear and rotate the feeder roller from the behind, and printer didn't give any error now. The first step I mentioned, if your printer is showing paper jam or something over there, you can use the same method that I mentioned now, and the printer will become ready state. This light should be stable in a while and you can print your documents. Hope you understand the method, and if you have any other question regarding this machine or any other Epson printer, you can ask me in the comments. If you need special perks for your membership, you can join my channel. Thank you for watching. All the best.